Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of not receiving a verification code from the Rednote app. So let's get started. First, open your Rednote app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Terms and Privacy to open the login page. Then, select the login with phone icon. Type in your phone number and tap the Terms and Privacy again to proceed. And if you're not receiving a verification code immediately, here are the few things to try. Wait for the 5 to 10 minutes, and sometimes if the code takes a little longer to arrive, check your signal. Move to location with better cellular reception to ensure that you can receive the text message faster. If the code hasn't arrived within 20 seconds, you'll see a resend code button. Once the countdown is complete, tap the button to request the code again. If you still can't get the code, don't worry. You can log in using your Facebook or Google account as a backup. And that's it. I hope this helps you to fix the issue and get into your Rednote account. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.